UZIN knows all the challenges that confront flooring contractors and always develops the right solutions, square metre by square metre. UZIN systems enable flooring installers to excel. UZIN, the floor belongs to you. How can new luxury vinyl tiles be quickly and securely installed onto existing floor coverings whilst ensuring the floor remains dimensionally stable? With Sigan elements. Vacuum or damp wipe the substrate with clean water to remove dust and dirt, etc. Then wait until the surface is dry. First perform a trial to check whether Sigan Elements adheres well to the existing floor covering. Apply the Sigan Elements tape along walls, doors and protrusions. This provides increased adhesive strength around the periphery. Install the Sigan Elements in the running direction of the new floor covering, preferably overlapping. Rub down well and then cut back to the joint. Measure the room and divide the LVT tiles. Mark the starting point of the first row of tiles with a suitable pen on the protective paper. Place a steel rail along the measuring points and a line. Pull the protective paper away from the Sigan Elements. The straight line creates a reference line for the first row of luxury vinyl tiles. Install the tiles along the reference line and press down firmly by hand. Keep removing the protective paper and repeat the process until all the LVTs are installed. After installation, rub over the whole area using a pressure roller. Stack and roll up the protective paper to reduce the volume of waste. The floor covering can be walked on and used immediately. The luxury vinyl tiles can be removed years later without leaving residues.